Heritage Valley was started so that we'd give every child an opportunity to not only study, learn academically, but also to grow his talents.
I came across, by chance, Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom has written about 2,200 pages on teaching of mathematics and physics. After going through a few pages, I like certain words which has changed my approach towards mathematics. And that words are knowledge, understanding, application, analysis, and synthesis.
I see, I remember. I do, I learn.
Nowadays, the same sequence is given a new name that is called conceptual and experiential based learning.
Something abstract is difficult for a child to understand. So we show them the videos, we show them the teach next lessons. So they get a better idea. They listen to the teacher, they also see. That would be conceptual learning. But if I add another aspect, another dimension to it, that would be doing. A child, if he listens, sees, and then he does, he will understand the concepts better. Keeping that in mind, we have the Science Park here. We have lots and lots of models where the children explore on their own, understand, and then we bring them back to the classroom and give them the formal training there. But in the beginning, it's informal. They go, explore, learn on their own. They are very curious. They want to know more things. So through their questioning, we find that the children understand better. So that doing part would be experiential learning. The children enjoy doing this. And when they enjoy, they're involved. And if they're involved, they learn better. So it's not only for marks that you study, it's for the true learning. And this is not based only to their lessons and all. We have project work where we give the children as a group or individually a project to do. Science is not physics, chemistry or bio. It is the laws of nature. And we have given them the names physics, chemistry and bio.
We wanted that children should stay with us for a longer time, and the only answer was boarding school. Our boarding school curriculum, it's a mixed curriculum. It's a combination of Gurukula and the British education system. Now Gurukula means what? Gurukula means where the children stay with Guru and preserving the culture of the family and culture of the country. Here children get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, then they go for jogging and yoga, they do yoga and some discourses on values.
We have a very good playground. A lot of learning takes place in the playground, which most people don't realize. It's not just playing the game. The sportsman spirit, the zeal, the keenness to win is very important. The competitive spirit is important. But you're also teaching them leadership qualities, how to coordinate with others, cooperate with others. These are the activities which help them to grow as a wholesome personality.
How? Profession needs qualification, written or unwritten. A carpenter may not be educated. He may not be having paper qualification, but he is qualified in his profession. Career needs profession and important virtues. Profession means qualification, important virtues means punctuality, sincerity, dependability, accountability, And these qualities cannot be given to the children within the four walls of a classroom. Children have to come out. Because of this, we arrange a number of activities. It has been in many schools. We have started a unique activity that we take children to Himalayas for camping and trekking. There they do water rafting, rock climbing, and all the adventurous sport they do.
This boarding school will help the children to grow not only physically and intellectually, but also morally and spiritually.
Join hand with the school, join hand with the teachers, be frank, be transparent, and help the child grow and live life with his passion. Once he gets the job as per his passion, the life becomes a game, and life becomes a play.